Hey guys, welcome here to another awesome video. Today I'm going to show you how to make your very own cursor for Windows 10. So first thing you want to do, you want to download a software called Real World Cursor Editor. So you want to download Real World Cursor Editor. You want to create new mouse cursor. And once you do that, you want to click this mouse button right here. You want to click that. Then it should come up with this. Now you want to customize this to your liking. I kinda like it like this. So once we're done, we're going to press OK. And we have a cursor here. So once we edit it to our liking, there's also a pencil tool right here, text tool, whatever you want. So once we're done, we're going to press File and then Save As. So I'm just going to save it on my desktop. We're going to call this tutorial. Now we should have this on our desktop or wherever we saved it. Then we want to open Control Panel and we want to search mouse, and then we want to press Change Mouse Settings.